Hey guys, and welcome to episode 4 of making a space shooter game. Again, I'm with Unknown X.
And
We're
in this episode, we're going to be doing a scrolling background, high score, and sound
background
effects.
music, sound effect.
And
And if you haven't followed
easy.
the first 3 episodes,
Make sure to
sure
go
to
watch
do it
them
now,
so you know
please.
exactly what to do.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so let's start by making scrolling background. To start off, you go to backdrops, and whatever backdrop you had, you're going to
Copy it.
You're going to make a new sprite, paste it in here, and now what we're going to do
Just
is to delete the backdrop.
We can
Click
just
delete.
add in. No, we can't. We can't.
Yeah, we can.
You can't delete it without. Look,
Just click delete.
just press delete and.
Okay, now go to sprite 2. Go back to
And sprite 2. Make sure.
It's
make
0, 0.
Double sure to put it 0, 0.
Just click triple sure. Get the code. And do when green flag clicked.
When green flag clicked.
Forever.
Go to 0, 0.
And put it forever.
Forever.
And now go to looks.
Wait, first.
Go to back layer.
Put a show here.
Yeah, and go to back layer.
Go to back layer, yeah.
And now if we start it.
Yeah. So it looks pretty much the same.
Yeah, and now this will be our start.
It looks
to make
nicer way.
And now you
yeah, done. Anyway,
okay, so let's
wait. 1 second. Set touches you, yeah.
Okay, now we're going to need to have 2 of these.
Duplicate.
So now let's give them names. Instead BG1.
BG1.
And
maybe
BG2.
this should be BG1.
Oh yeah, just it doesn't matter what we name them.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna have 2 sprites, and they both overlap, but it doesn't matter because now what we're going to do is make that go to goes to 0, 0.
Yeah, 0, 0.
Okay, and now
since we duplicated, it has the same code.
So yeah. Anyways, now this Y is going to be brought up completely. So this is 300. This is 480 or 360. I think 360. Anyways, so 360. Solve that. And the thing is, you won't be
No,
able.
it's 480 the whole screen. Is that what you're talking?
No, the Y.
Ah.
So negative 360 will bring it to the bottom, and by starting, there's no difference because it's like on this. It's completely off screen.
Yeah.
So now by doing this, we can do we can start by doing a chain. What is it? We're gonna check if the Y goes above what it should. So this is negative 360. When it goes to 360, it's gonna come back to negative 360, and so on. I think that's how I make it work. So let's just start with background too because it's easier to work with.
Oh, just let me click.
Okay, and I think we need to do like 360. Just a quick test.
Yeah, try.
Does this work? Yeah, that doesn't work. Okay, good. So
doesn't work. Yeah, it's like a white screen. It actually looks pretty nice. You can use it for other games, but this game it's better.
Okay, so
screen.
you have this, and they're gonna both connect. So it's gonna go up. So it's gonna change Y by 1.
By 1.
Actually,
Underneath the go to back layer. Don't think it makes a difference.
Yeah. Okay.
3,
So and
3.
you want to go to background 1 and do the exact same thing.
You could just have like you could have if
Yeah, I know. If you
saved
play,
time, you could just bring it. But yeah,
now if you just play,
it
will look scrolling, and it's gonna scroll off screen.
Or you could just.
Now,
I have an idea.
Now wait. We can fix that. That's the next problem we're gonna fix.
Don't like.
Okay, so if we just play to get that amazing screen back, we need to make this negative 3 so it looks like he's going backwards, not upwards.
Yeah.
-3.
Negative.
Okay, and now we're gonna go back to BG2, and we're going to check if we go. So it's gonna keep going down. So if the y is more than or is less than, and you wanna do y.
If
Y is less than negative
negative.
360. So that means negative 359.
Y
you can go
position?
to motion. Yeah, motion. It's a motion.
Oh yeah, motion. Because motion and sensing look the same.
Yeah, and then it's going to set Y to. So it's gonna go 360, and then it's gonna
minus 360 maybe.
Wait. So this one's gonna go up, and if you think about it, it's gonna go up. It's gonna hit there, and then you have the other one still going up. So then you just set the Y to 360. Yeah, that should work. So
and yeah,
it's gonna go.
Should we bring
And
it
now
to
if you
background one?
yeah, and you add the exact same thing.
Yeah.
Except okay, I think there's something wrong with the code that won't work right.
Maybe set Y to minus 360 for this one.
Yeah. So no wait.
Oh wait.
It needs to be above.
By this Simon. Above
360. Wait. No.
minus.
Above. No, it's minus. What was I thinking? Okay, and now you want to go here. Oh wait. Yeah, and it's all right. So if we play now.
Let's try. Okay.
If you wait a moment, it should start coming back, and that's a sign it's not coming back. So if we just delete BG1, just temporarily, and we try this out, we're going to check where it's gonna go and what's the max for it to go to. So negative 345, that's the max. So we do negative 345. We're gonna go to set. So if we play, and now not coming. And now if we do set Y to 345, play. It's still not gonna work. We need to do one easy thing. And there you go, and that's working. It comes back on the other side. Next, we're gonna duplicate this.
Okay.
And this is going to be negative 345, so it comes from the bottom. And it's going to have the exact same code. And if we play now, we should have an infinitely scrolling screen.
Well, I guess it looks a bit weird that there's a black space.
Yeah, but we can fix that. And
if you change the background,
and if
we
you
don't
make
have
zoom
to
in,
do that.
Zoom in, and now we have a scrolling background, which matches the speed they're falling at.
Yeah. Okay.
And
now let's do sound effects because we don't have a lot of time left.
Yeah,
so
let's just upgrade this a bit by making this faster.
0.3, yeah.
And here,
I thought.
Go to bullets and make it 0.1.
Yeah, 0.1, so it doesn't go very slow.
And now go to BG2 and BG1. You wanna do, instead of -3, do -5, and same for BG3.
Wait,
so
why do we have a BG3?
It's supposed to be BG1, but we deleted BG1. It's -5. And
just change it to BG2. And this is BG1. Doesn't really matter, but I like to be organized a bit.
And now if we play, it should be a bit faster, as you see.
Yeah. Looks better on full screen.
Wait, just zoom in.
Because when you're in small screen, it looks like it's just like whatever. And that's it for background scrolling. Before the end of the video, we have to do sound effects. Wait.
So
I already chose a sound
Oh, wait,
effect for the bullets.
I think we could do this -3 to keep it
doesn't
nice.
really matter.
Just think, because like it seems like they stuck to the background. So look at this. So
Yeah, it does seem like
now they don't look like they stuck to the background anymore.
Because it did. I thinking that. Yeah, it looks like.
Yeah, because
Now
you
it's
don't.
much better.
Now we can stop. And let's quickly add sound effects. Go to the bullet. Go to sounds.
You can do any you want, but if
we're
you
gonna
want
choose
to do
the
PU. It's called PU.
And if you just choose it, it sounds nice.
It sounds so
You
nice.
wanna go to codes, and now whenever we shoot, we're gonna go to here.
Yeah.
Here. Look.
Sound.
Sorry. Start.
Start sound PU. Yeah.
So create clone of myself. Start sound PU. No. Yeah. There. So if you just zoom
you
in,
can put any sound you want, but this
zoom
is how
in.
you code it.
So now if you press and hold,
Doesn't that sound like? It sounds like a real game now. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
and we've got a score. And when we play again, if you didn't notice the last episode, your score resets when you play.
Yeah.
That glitched out a bit.
Wait, if you don't know why that happens, remember, set score to 0 in the start of player.
Now we can add
background music. I'll just put it in BG1 maybe. It doesn't really matter.
Put it in backdrop. Backdrop works.
Yeah, backdrop.
Now we're gonna upload a sound.
Choose a sound maybe.
No, like for it.
Yeah, it doesn't.
No, like a theme sound.
Maybe like
which? What's a which for?
Space music. That was an accident. Wait. Wait, what?
What? And you can add whatever you want. I guess we're just gonna add this.
Start sound or play?
Forever. Put it forever.
I guess it's pretty short, but so if you want to do like a full length, you can also upload
on your own. Yeah, and that just sounds nice.
I mean, I guess it does seem a bit weird match with sound, but it's still pretty nice. And
we can
I think we were thinking of something else, right? Unknown X?
Oh yeah, high score.
High score.
But before we do that, let's make these guys a bit faster. Because in here, instead of -5, do -7. We're gonna play around with this a bit.
Wait.
Play. Start now.
Wait, let's see. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't make that big of a difference, but it doesn't make it worse.
I thought there was a mouse. I forgot we're using touchpad.
What?
Okay.
Yeah, touch.
And enemies. Make it spawn a bit faster.
And
now this is gonna
0.2.5.
0.2. I mean, it seems like a lot, but if you really want a harder game to play than just dodging something, this is of course harder.
And also, you can't just make it like easy.
And you could do faster.
But don't make it too hard or no one will like it.
Or like it could be frustrating, one of those frustrating games.
Yeah, I hate frustrating games.
But
so 0.2. I don't want it to be like.
You need a hard game, or else it's not hard.
But it can't be easy either.
So this
and
is
we have.
just
No, that's too much. It's kind of. No, I think it's.
Nah, that's better.
Okay, fine.
Okay, and high score, real quick.
Wait,
Go to player. We need to make a high score. And we're running out of. Yeah. Okay. So to do that,
score, I know how to do it.
Green flag click. We're running out of recording time.
When green flag click, just let me do it. Forever.
If as fast as you can. If recording time.
Bigger.
And
okay,
then,
make a new variable called high score. Should we make it like
anything,
cloud variable?
No, it's not high. Okay.
Just your high score. No.
Okay, just click
high score bigger than score.
Set high score to score.
Yeah, it's weird.
And if the video runs out and we don't say bye, well, bye now, because
Yeah, bye.